Today I want to talk about something very important, and honestly, something most people are still underestimating. The world is changing, and it's not changing slowly anymore. It's changing fast. But the interesting part is, most people are still living like nothing is going to change. We are still planning our lives the same way. We are thinking, I'll study, get a job, grow slowly, save money, and everything will be fine. But what if that assumption itself is outdated? Let's slow this down and understand it properly. Just a couple of years ago, AI was not a big deal for most people. It was there, but it was limited. Now look at today. AI can write content, create videos, build websites, do coding, solve problems, even help in decision-making. And this is just the beginning. Now, imagine this. Earlier, if you wanted to start something, like a business, a YouTube channel, or even a small project, you needed time, skills, a team, money. Now, you just need clarity and a laptop, because AI can support almost everything else. Let me give you a very simple example. Suppose you want to create a presentation. Earlier, you would spend hours thinking, designing, writing. Now, you just tell AI, create a presentation on this topic, and it gives you a full draft. You just refine it. That's the difference. Or let's say you want to start a small business. Earlier, you needed designers, writers, marketers. Now, AI can create your logo, write your content, suggest marketing ideas, even help you run ads. So what has changed? The effort required to start something has reduced massively. And this is where things become interesting, because when effort reduces, the value of effort also changes. Let me explain this in a simple way. Earlier, doing something difficult made you valuable. Now, difficult things are becoming easy. So what makes you valuable now? Not just effort, but thinking. This is the shift. Earlier, value was in doing. Now, value is shifting towards thinking and directing. Think of AI like a super fast worker. It can do anything you ask, but it doesn't know what to do on its own. You are the one who decides what problem to solve, what to build, what direction to take, and that is where your real value is. Now let's talk about something real. A lot of people are scared. They think AI will take jobs. AI will replace humans. Everything will collapse. Let's be practical. Yes, some things will change. Yes, some roles will reduce. But at the same time, new opportunities will be created. Because every time technology changes, the game changes. And when the game changes, new players win. Think about this. When the internet came, people who understood it early, they built companies, channels, platforms. The same thing is happening again, but this time it's even bigger. Right now we are in a transition phase. This is very important to understand. We are not in the old world, and we are not fully in the new world either. We are in between. And this in-between phase is where the biggest opportunities exist. Because most people are confused, most people are slow, most people are waiting, and the few people who take action, they move ahead. Let me give you a clear perspective. Today, one person with AI can do the work of multiple people. That means you don't need a big team, you don't need huge investment, you don't need years to start. You just need to start. But here's the problem. Most people are still stuck in old thinking. They are waiting for perfect time, perfect knowledge, perfect conditions. But the reality is there is no perfect time. The people who win are the ones who start early, even if they don't know everything. Now let's talk about mindset, because this is the most important part. Technology is available to everyone, but mindset is not. You can have the best tools, but if your thinking is limited, you will still stay stuck. So instead of asking, will AI replace me? Ask this, how can I use AI to grow faster? Instead of thinking, this is risky, think this is an opportunity. Because the truth is simple. This change is not stopping. It will continue and it will accelerate. Another important thing, you don't need to become a genius. You don't need to master everything. You just need to become a fast learner, a smart user, a clear thinker. Because AI can handle complexity, but you need to handle direction. Let me give you another simple example. If you give AI a wrong instruction, it will still do the work, but the output will not be useful. So the quality of your input decides the quality of your output, and that is where your thinking matters. Now coming to reality again. Yes, there will be confusion. Yes, there will be uncertainty. Yes, things will feel unstable sometimes. But this is normal. Every big change in history felt like this. When electricity came, when the internet came, when smartphones came, people were confused. But slowly, those changes became normal. And the people who adapted early, they always stayed ahead. So what should you do now? Very simple. Start small, start learning, start experimenting. Use AI for writing, ideas, learning, creating. Don't overthink, just start using it. Because once you start using it, you will understand it. And once you understand it, you will start seeing opportunities. And trust me, opportunities are everywhere right now. People just don't see them yet. So don't panic, don't ignore, just stay aware, stay curious, stay active. Because this is not the end of anything. This is the beginning of something new. And in simple words, the world is not ending, it is upgrading. And you just need to upgrade yourself with it. That's it for today. If this made you think differently, make sure you take action. Because understanding is good, but action is what changes everything.